You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word is pronounced as mess, as in this is a real mess. Mess. The bottom word is mess. This is a verb, to mess, as in to miss a target. This is also a title for women, as in Miss Henderson, Miss. So let's hear it again. Mess versus mess. Mess, mess. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce them correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.